the Zumba basic. It's about 10 minutes with warm up and then cool down. So it's a great workout as well. And we're gonna break down the basic steps so you feel comfortable and you can learn easily and you feel confident to join the Zumba class. And today we have beautiful ladies here. Yay! They will show you the example. So, but just like my grandma, she was on a wheelchair, but I'm sure that she would love to do this if she was here with me. So we have an example for a wheelchair as well. You guys ready? Yay! Alright, so first we're gonna go through without sound. Salsa steps are more like 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. So 3 and 4 and 7 and 8 are same spot. So some people call just 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. So this is the basic count. And it's just simple, just go to different direction, right? So let's go forward. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. Let's go diagonal. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Make sure your posture is straight. Don't go, that's not good. Make sure straight. 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. Back. Straight back. Just a little bit. Don't go too far. You're going to lose your balance. Posture. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. Diagonal back. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, side to side. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. Let's go. Forward, center, back. Center, forward, center, back. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. The other side. Watch my QQ, right? I'm gonna show where it's coming. Back, back. Leg forward. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good job. Alright, so I think you feel a little more comfortable. So we go over with the warm up and then basic steps with the fun songs, right? Okay, let's do this.